Hello friends. Now we will see the simple present. We have done 3 exercises on simple present. You remember, no? Rewriting. Then we saw do insertion and negative. Now this is proceeding further. As I have already told you, when we learn tenses, we will have a program like this. That is, first we will have the form, then distribution, and then we will see how to make the negatives, how to make the yes or no question, how to make the WH question, and then passive and all those things. That's how we proceed. Now here we have got the yes or no, how do you make it? Now here again, you have to take the help of do. Do insertion is important. Because you know yes or no question means NB1 plus VP, this is a sentence NB2. So VP here means you have got do plus verb, isn't it? And we have seen in good old days you will say subject, verb, object. So question means verb plus subject, or NB1 plus, part of VP plus NB1. VP means only part of it. Understand? And then we will see how this is to be there. Say for example, say, he loves music. He loves music. Now you want to make an yes or no question. How do you do that? First you have to insert do. He do love music. He do insert loves music. And then what you do? Tense marker here. That here he does love music. Now this is the VP, verb phrase. First part of that you have to take it and then what will you do? Start the sentence with that. Or you have to friending, so to say. Bring it here. Does he, then remaining, love music. Question. This is how you make yes or no question in the simple present. Understand? So you need, for simple tenses, you have to take the help of another member or another person. In this case it is help from somebody, and that is, here it is, of course we can see, you have to insert do. Then what happens, as I told you, he loves music, he do loves music. S is taken and added to do, then he does love music, not he does loves. Very often what happens, students write like this, does he loves music. Now this is wrong. Why is it wrong? Because you have got 2 S here, one S here and the other S here. So only one is permitted. Does he loves? Very often students, I have seen students writing it. That's why I said that this is a mistake that very often we commit. Okay. Let's have some more examples, and let's do some more examples, and then we'll see, we'll become masters of this. Right? So you have got some examples. They play cards. Now you have to make an yes or no question. What will you do? You have to insert do, then it will be they do play cards. If the word phrase has more than, say, 2 or more words in it, you shift only the first one. So here you have got 2, do play. So shift only the first one, do. Then the NB, remaining part of the VP, and cards. Do they play cards? Clear? Is that clear now? Okay. So one more example we will do. Not really one more, maybe any number of examples we can see. Let's say like this. People help others. So people do help others. Bring it here. Do people help others? Question mark. Yes or no question? Understand? Another one. Boys like playing. Playing here is not a participle. Playing chess. So, like boys do like playing chess. And you have do boys like playing chess. Question mark. Clear? Alright? Yes. Again. Let's another example. Bill. Okay. Bill eats too much. Bill is very fat. So now we are asking a yes or no question. Bill do eats too much. Now tense marker has to be added here. Bill does eat. See, look at this. Here it says does eat too much. Question: does Bill eat? Look at this. Too much. Question: does Bill eat too much? Not that. Does Bill eats too much? That will be doubled using two tense markers, which is not necessary. Understand? And this is, you can say, another example. Classes begin classes begin in the morning. Classes begin in the morning. So what will be the yes or no? So yes or no question from this. What will you do first? First do. Insert do here. Do. So do. Then what will you do? Do begin. Do classes begin in the morning. Question mark. Okay? Very good. So let us see what you have done so far. Let us repeat, see, or revise. Let's take this example. It rains. Then rewrite in the present continuous. It is raining. Present can rewrite it. Then make it negative. It does not rain. Question: does it rain? Expansion: it does rain. This is what we have so far done. Clear? Any doubt regarding these things? Tomorrow we will do an exercise on this and then things will be clearer. Till then, bye, have a nice day.